Maybe you have a Jeep vehicle and you need...
Real quickly, I'm going to show you if your battery is dead. So I've actually totally removed the battery on this fob so you can see that it works. So when we go up here to push the start button, I push on the brake, nothing. But what we have to do is we just put this fob up against that, and then we're going to push at the same time, and the vehicle started up. So just make sure you're making contact there when you push it, and then you can just stop it just the same as usual. So if your battery is dead, again, you're just going to put that fob up against the push to start, step on the brake, push the button while that's touching, and you should be able to start it. Make sure you have the right side pushing up against there. If you're doing it backwards, it may not work. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Arrgh.